Hello, this is my experiment, and my change variable is insects. My measured variable is what habanera eats first. And my control variables are I'm keeping the same number of insects, one of each one. I'm setting them down in a paper towel in her cage, and I'm making them all the same distance from habanera. So here's our big question. How do different insects affect what habanera eats? So as you can see, Habanera was not always as cooperative as I thought she would be. Normally she loves her insects, but here she is, just ignoring the tasty treats I gave her. And she climbs down off her log. I don't know what she's hunting, a random mealworm right next to her log. And she eats it, and then she just ignores my treat. So I don't even know how to record that data. Habanera made this tricky. And here we go. This was my final test with Habanera. She's like, oh, that's a little too much work. I don't know, it's really far from me. I moved one arm, but you want me to move both? I don't know about that. So I'm like, okay, fine, Habanera, I'll help you out. Let me put these both in front of you really close. And then check it out. Boom, mealworm, yum, yum, yum. I don't know why. What's up with this girl? And then here we go, the data. Habanera the first time ate the hornworm first, the second time ate the hornworm first, but the third time she wouldn't even eat the hornworm. So I did come up with a way to add up these points to make a graph. And here is my graph for everything. I wrote claim. I learned that Habanera often eats hornworms first, but not always. Habanera also likes superworms. Evidence, I know this because on the first two trials, she ate the hornworms first. On the third trial, she never ate a hornworm. And as soon as Habanera went back to her log, that hornworm started crawling all around. Was it playing dead and faking her out? I don't know. And check it out, I made a graph and it shows superworms are the grand champion winner of this test, with mealworms in second and hornworms ended up in third, thanks to that never being eaten third time. So there we have it. Habanera almost always eats hornworms first unless Miss Bush is doing an experiment. We hope you had fun with your experiment and we are excited to see your projects. I can't wait to see what Habanera thinks of all of your work.